Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.